you what the quilt doctor is struggling with. I have my wonderful youngest grandson
Hello.
here, and he is going to be my arms and legs, and my darling grandson, 17, is my videographer. So, and this is
Leo.
and he's going to be everywhere with us. Come in, this is the family farm. And I just want to show everyone the magic that you can do with quilts at Christmas time. Of course, the turkey is behind us and the dishes are all cleaned up. And now we're going to be playing with quilts. And these are old quilts, new quilts, and all of the above. So let's take a look here. This, of course, are some Amish Stars. You can pick one up. And you can see I have the stars and are all collected out of vintage fabric, and they're probably 1920s. And then the Amish on a few of them, and these are all that I have of just the pillows. Put their very prominent green is a very common shade that they use. Here is a beautiful Amish piece. You can see, perhaps, press, is that the good light? That you can see those stitches. They're just exquisite against your body, maybe under the light there, press under your light. And hook, yeah. You can hook a little on their work is so spectacular. Okay, babe, thank you. And over here is a wonderful old pineapple that you will be shocked when you see the back of it. But this is what I mean about taking remnants that you can find at auctions and flea markets, but the pattern is wonderful. Press, did you know that this is a pineapple pattern?
Really?
And this is the sign of the early, the ship's captains that came in Boston maybe, or wherever, on their ships, and they would put a pineapple, because they had been in southern tropical places, and they would put a pineapple on their post to let everybody know that they were welcome to come. So the pineapple pattern is classic in all genres. Over here, we've just gotten started. We've got a basket quilt, a pine tree, a drunkard's path. Were you wrapped up in the drunkard's path yesterday? This is a beautiful vista of the Virginia mountains. It's the foggiest day in the world right now, but yesterday we all wrapped up as a family, and each one had a different quilt on, and we took our Christmas pictures. Okay, now maybe we'll go into the next room. Again, the Christmas tree will probably go here.
Yeah.
And so all the greens will be out, but the quilts come first. Come on, let's take a tour of this. This is our sitting room. And Leo's already here. As you can see, this is for the kids' table that has been the kids' table for lots of years.
So many years.
And now the kids are all big, like these two guys. And this is an easy trick for Christmas decorating, certainly with quilts. This is a variation of Ohio Star, and you can always tuck things underneath so that you don't show all of your hidden things that you want out of the way. It's a good idea. This is an antique, a variation of a carpenter's wheel. See how pretty it is. Nice vintage fabric. Come on over. And the sofa, I was so fortunate. The toile is from Williamsburg, and there were panels of it, and of the fabric, and I still have one panel left, but I loved it so much. I had pillows, and I think we have 2 other pillows, these good size pillows depicting the design. It's like a bird sanctuary or something, which is very unusual. New quilt down. Preston calls it his mistletoe quilt, and that was what he was wrapped up in yesterday.
See it?
Of course, if I put it like this, hold on, no, you stand still, If I put it like this, the mistletoe is over and I get a kiss. Oh, Nana. Okay. There you go, on the mistletoe, and it's a variation of a log cabin that is fun. Again, you can see the beautiful pattern there. Yeah, you can just drop it down. This is a wonderful contemporary piece with the variation of the hand stitching on the horizontal and the strong colors, strong pieces of fabric. And this is a very wonderful, all hand quilted, and I call it it's huge. And that's a huge star. It's an applique all done by hand. Maybe if you drop it, honey, on the chair, your part, it'll catch the light. Go ahead and drop it. Can you see a little bit better?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All done by hand. It's exquisite, it's needle turned. It's just a gorgeous piece. Our little Christmas decorations, we always dig in and get all the little bird houses. We pressed his bird houses when he was 2. Which one is it, Press? Show.
This one.
Isn't it cute? Look at it, that has a special swirl on that roof.
Looks brown.
And the trees, they each made a tree for me for one Christmas. So those are all of yours. You have yours here, don't you? Well,
One of
this
these.
is this one.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
John.
Oh, this is yours.
That's.
they're
Yep, that's yours.
perfect.
Mhm.
Of course, they were 19 when they did it, but no, not really. Haha, Nana. Okay, one more space to show you. Welcome again into this magnificent kitchen, dining room. That, of course, the mountains, the Virginia mountains are right there. And today they're not showing us anything. And old Rag is out there. We sit here and look at the cows. They're all hiding too. And so we're not able to see them, but it'll be fun. They come out in glorious winter days with the sun shining on old Rag. And this is our last piece. We will put it on the table. I shudder when somebody eats, or no red wine. No red wine's allowed. These are wonderful squares. It's all done by hand, and but you can find them. Just quilt tops. You don't even have to have it quilted to make it a joy to decorate with and fun to use. So, and then this guy is a famous family piece from your dad's grandmother.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the best part of having a family together. So thank you. That's it for our quick little show, and we'll catch you at the textile library, where Press and all the boys help us hang the quilts in the library. And we have a special Christmas piece there of 4 little girls, their clothes made into Christmas trees. So see you there.